Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Wisdom Explorer, and I'm super excited to have you join our awesome community. In today's video, we're going to do something special. I'm going to show you how to introduce yourself confidently in any situation. Whether it's at a job interview, a networking event, or just meeting new people, nailing that introduction is essential. So let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the classic job interview scenario. Imagine you're sitting across from the interviewer, nerves kicking in, and they ask that dreaded question, "Tell me about yourself." How do you respond? Well, you want to keep it professional and relevant. Start with your name, your current role or studies, and a brief overview of your experience or skills. Here's a simple formula you can follow. It goes like this. Name. Start by saying your full name with a warm smile. Hi, I'm, your name. Current role. Next, mention what you do or study. I'm your job title, student major. Experience, skills. Share a couple of your most relevant experiences or skills. I've been working in your industry for years, specializing in your expertise. Cut to host applying the formula in a mock job interview. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a marketing professional with over 5 years of experience in digital marketing and social media management. Great! Now, let's tackle networking events. These can be more casual but equally important. You want to make a memorable first impression, so keep it concise, but don't forget to show enthusiasm and passion for what you do. Hey, I'm your name. I'm a graphic designer, and I absolutely love creating eye-catching visuals that tell a story. Lastly, let's talk about social gatherings. These are opportunities to connect on a personal level. So, in addition to your professional introduction, feel free to sprinkle in some fun facts or hobbies. Hi, I'm John. By day, I'm a software engineer, but in my free time, you'll find me hiking in the mountains or geeking out over board games. Remember, it's not just about what you say but how you say it. Make sure to maintain good eye contact, give a firm handshake, and, most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity always shines through. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more career and personal development tips. And don't forget to share your own fantastic introductions in the comments below. Until next time, stay confident and keep rocking those introductions. Take care. And bye-bye. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.